Hi guys, it's Anna here. Today I am going to show you what I did the other day. We are going to paint this little chickadee, a photo by Jean A. Chang that I found on Pinterest. The link is on the description if you wanna check it out. So I am using, I think, well, all the materials are in the description, but paper is Fabriano Artistico, and it's a really good watercolor paper. I am sketching the bird here. I am trying to make a really good map for me when I'm painting. I'm trying to not only put all the features of the bird, but also where's light and where's dark. Give me a little roadmap so I can really try to make things easier for me when I'm painting. Then I'll be painting it with colored pencils. I'll be using Prismacolor and always have a sharpener around. Lightly erase your sketch, really lightly, so the cotton fibers don't get really messed up and you have a good paper, sturdy paper to work on. And then just start layering your color pencils. Keep a sharpener around because you're gonna really use it, and just layer and layer. When it's black, just try, when you see black or the bird looks black, the cap and below on his chest, just use different colors, different dark colors, so like blues and purples, and it depends on the photo, and you might exaggerate the colors, the contrast on a program like Photoshop, so you can see what colors might be there, or just the pickup color. I don't know how it's called. It's like that dropper that you can see what colors are in the bird if you want to have that trouble. If not, just use some dark colors that you think are going to that are of the same value, and just layer them. It will be much more interesting, and it will have a lot of depth. It will add a lot of depth to the bird's feathers. So keep layering and layering and layering a little more. Just take your time. This is very sped up. Even if it's the same color, just keep layering until you have like 4 or 5 layers, and then you can add the Odourless mineral spirits to dilute the layers and lose that grainy look of the pencils, and you have a very smooth, it's like a ink, then you have a very smooth result. But it's not a necessary step. It's optional, of course. You can leave it with the grainy look. It's kind of cool in its way also. So just keep layering and you'll see the results are amazing. You don't have to use a lot of mineral spirits, just a little bit on the brush, and keep blending the layers together. You can also burnish the layers with pencils that are appropriate for that, or just with another pencil. Just burnish is when you really press hard and you lose the tooth of the paper, so you won't be able to add more layers after that. So you should only do that in the end stages of your painting. This is a little chart with I made a little swatches of the pencils. It really helps you when when I buy new pencils, I do this, and watercolors and oils and whatever. It's good to have these little charts so you can see what colors you want to use, and just, you don't have to, like I wrote, or I'm going to write there in the video, you don't have to be very accurate with the colors, but you have to be very accurate with the values. So it's important to choose the right values and make it dark where it's dark, make it light where it's light, and have medium values where there's medium values. So that is the most important thing in a drawing, to make it look like the photo or the person or the thing you want to portray. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you got some value out of it, I hope you give me the thumbs up and comment in the description below. If you haven't already, of course, subscribe and share this channel with other people, so that you think that they might enjoy, so I can keep bringing this content to you. That gives me a lot of pleasure, and that's why I keep doing it. But I would like to have a lot of feedback from you, saying what you like, what you don't, what you would like to see next, what's your favorite techniques or mediums, so I can maybe bring more videos about that in the future. So thank you so much for watching. Till next time, bye bye.